Good morning, boys and girls. I'm here today to draw Leonardo, the terrible monster, one of Mo Willems' creatures from his book, and I thought you might enjoy this today. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll move my camera down a little so hopefully you can see. I'm going to try to make my lines nice and dark. I'd like you to make your lines a little bit lighter just in case you make an error. And that way you can erase it easily. So about 3 fingers from the top, leave a little space. You're going to make a curved line. And you can just use the curve of your hands to make that line. You're going to continue around. His head's really round. Making a circle for his head. And it's okay if your sketching is a little bit messy because he's kind of fuzzy, so when we go over it with brown crayon, it's going to cover up those places. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to make little pointy ears. So you make one curved line coming up and one coming back on both sides of his head. They're very small. Almost looks like a talon. Bird talon, doesn't it? His first eyebrow is a sideways S. Second eyebrow is just a little upside down, like a frown. Upside down smile or a frown. And then he has 2 circles for eyes. This circle goes right underneath his eyebrow. This circle goes right underneath this eyebrow. We're going to make another little line under this eye. And now we're on his nose. His nose is a large U shape. And it has 2 little circles at the bottom for his nostrils. His mouth is a big smile, very large smile, with 2 little frown lines on either side. Makes him look a little mischievous. And then he has 1 little tooth sticking out. So we left an opening down here. The opening, we're going to have his little neck. Little necks here. And I'm going to make a curved line going back up to his face. Curved line going back up to his face, and we're going to make his fingers. That's 1, 2, 3. His little hands here, and it's okay that this line's here because we're gonna draw a little frame right there on his hands. Okay, and this comes on back. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the other side. You're going to make his elbow coming out. Elbow coming out to the side. And make the inside of his elbow. Inside of his elbow right here. Looks like a backwards, sideways D. Okay, and then I'm going to continue down here, make a little tail that goes out. And we have to add his hand here. So right here, we're going to add his hand, kind of on the side of his body. There's his thumb coming out there. Okay, and on the other side, we're going to make his belly. Oh, other side, we're going to make his belly. His belly is going to be like a J. And then we're going to come down. He's standing up, so you want to bend his knees a little bit. And make his feet. His feet kind of remind me of duck's feet a little bit. Make that little zigzag line there. This other leg's back behind, so it's okay if that line is there for his belly. And then you're going to make 2 more feet. We also need to add a little line here and a little circle for his belly button. Then you can take your brown crayon and trace him. Blue crayon for his eyes, gray or blue for his teeth, and also his little horns. His body is kind of a chartreuse, which is kind of a green. And then his feet and his hands and his nose are all a peachy kind of pink color. So this is what we have. This is the sketch of Leonardo, the terrible monster. I made a little sketch. I was practicing. It's good to practice when you draw. And this is my final. I wanted to show you what he looked like all colored in. So I put Leonardo, the not so terrible monster, because he's really not terrible. He's a sweet guy. So remember, try something new. Enjoy drawing Leonardo. And have a wonderful day, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.